Universal but love KFC, this popcorn chicken mac and cheese has nearly 60 grams of protein and is a much lower calorie, healthier and higher protein alternative that's perfect for meal prep. In a bowl, add plain flour, baking powder, the KFC herbs and spices which are listed on screen, with a tiny bit of pepper. Now mix together diced chicken with eggs and then add the flour and chicken into a container. Mix well until the chicken is fully coated, then spray with cooking oil and air fry or oven bake with the settings on screen until crispy. Now start boiling your pasta, and while that's cooking, to a pan on low to medium heat, add fat-free milk, light cream cheese, grated cheddar cheese with a bit more seasonings, and stir gently until creamy and smooth. Add the cooked and drained pasta, mix it until it sounds like something you've heard before, then equally divide. Just an easy, high-protein snack, these pepperoni pizza hot pockets have 25 grams of protein and you only need a few simple ingredients to make them. To make the quickest and easiest dough, in a bowl add plain flour, baking powder, low-fat Greek yogurt, Italian herb seasoning, garlic powder and salt, then mix it until you have a crumbly texture and knead it with your hands to form a dough ball. Now 8 equal balls, one by one, flatten them as thin as you can, then add pizza sauce, low-fat cheese, mini pepperoni, or you can use turkey pepperoni or beef pepperoni. Now pinch the sides and corners to the middle, flip it over and press on it gently, then cook them on low to medium heat for 5 minutes on each side with the lid on top until golden brown and crispy. Store them in the fridge or if you're looking for a delicious and easy high protein meal. Divide the steak bites and pasta into